Google Maps provides navigation for various travel methods, including walking, driving, cycling, and public transport. This guide will show you exactly how you can switch between these modes to find the most suitable route for your trip. So let's learn how to adjust your Google Maps settings. So first, go ahead and open Google Maps. Go ahead and tap on search in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the arrow icon to enter your starting point and destination. Now you'll get two different sections of choose start location and then your desired location in the next box. Once you set both of them, the route will appear with the cart option selected automatically. And to change the travel mode, simply tap on the corresponding icon. And for instance, you can tap on the train icon to see the train routes as well, if available. And if you tap on the walking icon, the app will display the walking duration, area, and route. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.